Another feature you may benefit from would be the geolinks. If you wish to share one vehicle's location in real time with a customer for either forever or for a limited duration, while not needing them to have any credentials to do so, this is what you would use. In the case of this ice cream truck, they are able to create a geolink every day for their customers from 1:30 to 8:30, so that those prospective customers on their social media, they can share their current location, so that rather than just chasing down a faint sound of pop goes a weasel, they can look up the location currently on the map and meet their ice cream vendor at the most convenient spot. To do this, we would click on add. We'll create a description. We add an object or a GPS tracker. We can name it something else if we wish. We don't have to. I select a map type. Usually would select either hybrid or Google for the street map. You can show the trace, showing the last 1, 5, 15 minutes, whatever, of the location if you wish. Usually you can do without it. You can limit it either inside or outside of one or more geofences if you wish. And then you can create this as a perennial geolink or for a limited duration. You can do 1 hour, day, week, month, or a custom duration. So if we were going to set just for today from, let's say, now to 8:30, we'd click on that. We have today with our shortcut. I'm going to select midnight this morning, or 12:01 effectively, and then we're going to have this expire at 8:30 p.m. You could also go in here and type 8:25 if you want something a little irregular. And we're going to hit select. You can review this, make sure it's what we want it to be, and then hit create. At this point, we have the link. We can open it in a new tab. It'll show us where everything is at. I'm going to hit OK. Now we're going to edit this one though, because I set it for 12 a.m. instead of 1:30 as we initially said. So we select. We're going to set this back to 8:30, so it is per their specifications. Hit save. Click on share. Open a new one. Now it says inactive geolink. It will say this both before and after the link is valid. So if you give it to them too early, they'll get this screen. After the time has elapsed that they're allowed to see it, it'll show this to them again. We can also edit it to make a different background map. And we're going to set this for all day today so we can see it and just see the difference. And you see we're back to a satellite hybrid map. And the last thing we're going to do is delete it. These will delete on their own after they've expired for a short while. But you can also manually delete them as well if you want to revoke access to somebody to whom you previously given that permission.